what's up? This your boy Desmond, and right now I'm gonna do a review of this helmet I had for about 2 weeks. It's the HJC RPHA 11 Pro helmet, Captain American edition, and I'm gonna get into this. Come in a nice little bag for your helmet. It's good quality, and it comes with the clear visor and the smoke visor, so that's a plus. And I also have this in here because I've been wearing the helmet, and these are the Alpine Star motorcycle gloves. Very comfortable. Right now I have the blue tinted visor. I like how it looks, but this helmet is amazing. It's actually my favorite helmet right now, but I had to pay an additional $60 for the blue tinted visor, and this helmet costs around $500 to $600, so you can find the helmet anywhere between $500 to $600. And right now I have a GoPro mount on here. This is a company called Chin Mount. It was about $30 for that, and I want to show you the setup. Now I'm using the GoPro Hero 8 Black, and it has a freewheel case. The freewheel case was $100, and I have another mount right here. This is for the mic. You just plug that in right there, and you put your mic in there, and you wire it around the helmet any way you fit. That fits around the helmet nicely. And this also comes with lenses. I'm gonna show you that too. And I might as well show the mic too. This is the mic, Purple Panda. Very good mic. If you want to do moto vlogging, I suggest you get this mic. Everything will be in the description in the video. And these are the lenses for, and I'll show you how they go in there. They're pretty much like different days. You get different lighting. This is the polarized lens. So fits in there real snug, and that's how it would look. So I'm gonna show you how it looks on the helmet. You can adjust it to however you want, the angle that you want, and a very clean setup. Very clean setup. And I'll show you how the helmet also looks at the end of this video, how it looks on my head. This is a large. I felt like I could have got away with a medium, but the large feels real comfortable to me. I don't like it to be too tight. And if you're getting a helmet and you don't know if it's your size or not, I would get it and wear it around the house, and if it starts to give you a headache, you should go up a size. But yeah, this helmet is amazing. The airflow, I get compliments on this helmet all the time. All the time. And the quality inside is very comfortable. You definitely can feel the difference. It's definitely a premium quality helmet. And the way you can pop the lenses off of it is real simple too. It has pin lock, so when you shut it, it's not coming open at all. And it also has anti-fog visor that it could come with. Pretty much just put it on these two clips and slide it in. I'll do a little demonstration. Whoops. But pretty much an easy way to go on is like, you kind of want to bend it a little bit when you put the first one in there so it will fit flush. So you can slide that in and kind of bend it a little bit. There we go. It'll fit flush. And then you snap it on. Yep, there we go. Pin lock that on there, and that thing is not coming up. If you're getting a helmet, I suggest you make sure that it always has pin lock. There are lower quality helmets out there, and if you ask me, you don't want to be driving fast and the visor just automatically just pops up. Like with this, you can see it has like a little lock. It's not coming up. You got to switch the lock over, then pull it up. But even with the GoPro on this helmet, I rode with it after a while, and it doesn't feel that heavy riding with this GoPro on here. And I'm gonna start doing videos to show you how it looks with the GoPro, so you can get an idea of that the view that I get with this setup. This is how the helmet look, and I just wanted to show you all around 360 view. Very nice, comfortable helmet. Very nice, comfortable helmet. And I also wanted to show you how it looked with the GoPro on there. Now it's not going to be a perfect look, because I'm just giving you guys an idea of how it looks. Very simple to put on. Nice clean look. And oops. Yep, I think that's good. Yep. Doesn't feel that heavy at all. You definitely can notice that the GoPro's on there, but I'm liking the setup so far. And I want to thank you guys for watching, and hopefully you like this video and give it a thumbs up.